Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to another video of Chillin' with Chen. I'm Chen, and I hope you're chillin'. Today, we have an unboxing and quick look at the Shoulderpod S2 handle grip. If you didn't check out my last video about the Moment photo case and lens, go ahead and check that out. But we're going to use those both in combination. And we're going to put the case on the phone and check out this, unbox this mobile handle grip and see how it all works together. So first thing we're going to do is put the case on the phone. Get the phone out of here for now. Let's unbox this here. So if we take a look at the box, it does say that it does have an adjustable phone mount for universal screens, no matter what the width. Oh, it looks like it has a wooden handle and a tripod mount. Okay. So do we push? How do we... There's a hole here. How do we open this bad boy? Looks like there's magnets. Nope. I don't want to break, so let's... Should we just go beast mode on this thing? I feel like there's a way to open this that I'm not getting. There's a hole here. Oh. Alright, let's open it that way. And push out. There we go. Alright. Pretty cool. So it looks like this is a handle grip. So this is a handle grip for your mobile phone. So you can, it's easier to hold, easier to put on mounts. Oh wow, this looks so fancy. Okay. So a little branding there. You got their Twitter, Instagram. So this looks like it's the wooden handle. Okay. Pretty cool. This has to be, so this is the mount, right? Yep. Okay. Wow, this is pretty good. And here's the, this is the, I think this is not the, I mean, maybe this is also part of the handle. Let's get to the information, shall we? All right. Whoa. Okay. A lot of stuff going on here. Thank you. You're welcome. Okay. So this is what it looks like on an iPhone. Now again, this isn't just specifically for iPhone. They have a guarantee. They have a club member card. Yeah, welcome to the club. Alright. Whoops, we need the information. Instructions. Oh wow, okay. Survival guide. So let's mess with it. Let's see. I'm gonna read these real quick and then we're gonna go ahead and we'll see how we can get this working. Alright, so what we're gonna do is you take this part here and this holds the phone. So you wanna roll this out as much as you can until you feel like your phone fits. Now I know the size of my phone, so it's huge. It's way bigger than this. So you want to keep going, and as you do this, this is gonna extend, and you're gonna feel it wobble a little bit, only because you know it's not secure in the. You're gonna hear the springs and stuff. It's loose. It's loosening up because you want to get it as loose as you can to fit the phone in, right? So here it's bigger than the phone, as you can see. So we're gonna put it here. And what we're gonna do is, you gotta think about it. So the handle's gonna go here. You wanna hold the phone. You're gonna hold it like this. So we're gonna put it here. So now when you have where you wanna put the phone, you wanna hold down on this tight. Push down on the top here. And then go the other way with it. So now it tightens the phone. It tightens. Am I going the other way? Yeah. So now it tightens and it grabs the phone and it's pushing down on the phone. There you go. See? That's how it looks. And then what you want to do, this you could put the strap. This is a wrist strap, so you put the wrist strap on here, and then you just twist it on like it was a mount. Right, and boom, you have your holder there. So now when you record, they're recording like this. Now I guess I could have done it the opposite way, like they have it here. Should have put it on this. Actually, I can't put it on this side because the camera's on this side. So I have it in the right spot. So then you just go around and you can record video nice and steady like this. And it's pretty cool. And you could, you know, put this on your wrist so you don't drop it. Put it on your wrist like that and record. And we can just, as you can see, it's not in the way of the camera. It's nice and stable. So it is pretty cool. To take it off your wrist first. Then you just twist this off. Now you can use this part on tripods, so you don't need to use the mount. And one of the best reasons for this is to put it on the tripod on using phones that are huge, because the tripods don't come really, camera tripods don't come with mounts for phones, so it's kind of hard to mount a phone on the tripod. But with this you can, and it's pretty cool. So again, to take it off, you just want to hold it down and then loosen it up. And once you start feeling it come loose, you can jiggle your phone a little bit and you can take it out of there. And then to close this, you just hold this down and you just tighten it up. But again, that's pretty much all there is to the Shoulderpod S2, the handle grip. Pretty cool addition to your mobile photography setup. So this, in conjunction, combined with the Moment lenses and cases, make a very good basic introductory level or even advanced level photography setup. But that was the quick look at the Shoulderpod S2 handle grip. If you have any questions about it, if you if you have some comments, if you use the handle grip, go ahead and leave it in the comments below. Like the video if it helped you in any way on how to use this product. Share it. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos in the future on cool things like this. It's a pretty cool handle grip for mobile telephone photography. Thanks for checking out the video. I'll catch you guys in the next one.